All right, my fellow investors, welcome back to the channel. What a crazy day in the stock market today, huh? You thought you were up, and all of a sudden you look at your account, now you're down. All right, we'll talk about that a little later. However, what I do want to talk about is my M1 Finance account, guys. Remember, just a few weeks ago, it was at 18,664. Now, look at that, guys. What the heck happened to my portfolio? All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and detail exactly what happened. All right, so stay tuned. First, if you guys want to subscribe to the channel and follow me on my journey to create financial freedom, go ahead and hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, that we can share our information with as many investors as possible, help them and yourselves create financial freedom so you never have to worry about money again, guys. All right, so I went from 18,000, like I said, 664 to 87 cents, guys. So what happened to the account? All right, so basically what happened, guys, is that I withdrew the money. Left me with a total of 87 cents, guys. And you guys may ask, oh, why'd you do that? The reason for that is because there's some opportunities that may be coming up for us, for me and my family, to buy some real estate, which that's my primary investment. However, I just want to have that money readily available out of any positions. There's some potential opportunities here with real estate that I want to be joining. So my family and I decided to withdraw a lot of our money from several accounts to be able to have that money readily available to invest it into real estate, all right? Remember, real estate is one of the safest investments you can make out there and has a potential to provide you major returns. You guys know this, especially if you guys have been in the market, in the housing market for the last couple of years. All right, guys, so if I scared you guys about losing my money, I apologize for that. I just wanted to let you guys know why I withdrew the money from my M1 Finance account, and also to inform you that I won't be providing you guys updates on my M1 Finance account, obviously, because there's no money in there. However, once everything settles, I'll see where my money's at. That way I can go ahead and invest in this account again and show you guys how to grow that small account into something larger, right? I apologize for any inconvenience, but I need to have the money readily available, like I said, to get into these real estate deals that may be coming up pretty soon. All right, guys, thank you for the support you guys have been giving me on my channel. We keep on growing daily. I want to provide you with as many tips and strategies to multiply your money and eventually create financial freedom, guys. All right, I'll catch you on the next video.